Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. Unpairing is quite useful if, for example, you want to connect your watch to another device, or maybe you want to sell it to somebody or give it to somebody, and you need to unpair it from your phone and your account as well. And to unpair our watch, we need to open the Garmin Connect application, tap on More, Garmin Devices, and then select our Venu 4 from the list. And here tap on the More options in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove. The watch will disappear from the app. Here you can tap on Close. Now we can close the application, and we also need to go to Settings on our iPhone. So go to Settings, tap on Bluetooth, find the Venu 4 on the list of my devices, tap Info icon next to it, and then tap on Forget Device and Forget Device. And then we can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from our iPhone, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.